Here at Volvo Motherwell, we manufacture two brands of product. Terex Truck branded product is an articulated off-road hauling truck, and the Volvo branded rigid hauling truck for use in mining and quarrying. Data transformation is driving our customer experience. For me, it's all about how we can improve on-time delivery, how we can really hone in on the real root cause of a quality problem to drive effective corrective action.
We were in the market for a new analytics platform following the sale of the business to Volvo. ClickSense set itself apart in terms of the other products, predominantly due to the ability for self-service analytics. I have developed ClickSense applications right throughout our business in every functional area. There's not one area of this business that doesn't have a ClickSense application.
Rather than gut feel, conjecture, opinion, we are using data to make decisions. The apps that we use measure our own functional KPIs, so that's how quickly or slowly we are responding to issues on the line, as well as fault analysis. We input faults to ClickSense that then allow us to identify trends and data patterns.
So health, safety and care for the environment are three of our core values. Once we started using the apps to analyse the data coming in from the safety observations, we realised that what we thought were the significant risks and the areas of concern weren't what the guys on the shop floor were concerned about. Initially we thought the high risk activities would be the most significant ones in terms of shop floor focus, but what we found out was that it was more the day-to-day nitty-gritty things that were an annoyance, and from that we're able to make improvements every day.
When we purchased Click, we actually achieved a return on our initial investment within the first 3 months. I would recommend Click because it's a very intuitive product to use. For us, it was very easy to get up and running quickly. It's cross-platform, so you can use it on a number of devices. And in terms of Click themselves, I find them to be very responsive.
Customers benefit from the insights we're getting from the data because they've got a better sounding product that works hard for them and makes them money. We can't get away from the world of data now. You know, we talk about Industry 4.0. For me, we're doing that. We just need to take it to the next level. So we need to drive continuous improvement. It's all about focusing the resource and the time you've got, and Click allows you to do that.